What is EMA in trading? Did you know that there's a way to spot market trends faster than using a regular moving average? It's called the Exponential Moving Average, or EMA, and it's a game changer for many traders. The EMA is a type of moving average that gives more weight to recent prices, making it react more quickly to market changes. This helps traders catch trends earlier and make quicker decisions. For example, when the price moves above the EMA, it might be a signal to buy. When it drops below, it could be a sign to sell. Common EMA settings include 12, 26, or 50 periods, depending on your trading style. It's especially powerful when used with other indicators for confirmation. What do you think? Have you tried using the EMA in your trading strategy?